Morning guys, welcome to my vlog. So yeah, today we are traveling to the Konkan area side, which is another side of coastal area side from the Mumbai. So I'm riding with Makran, this is Shivam, and today we'll have somewhat approximately the ride of around 200 kilometers. Just took some photos and videos of our bikes. It's hard to sit here. Most probably we'll be speaking in Marathi, sometimes Hindi, but yeah, this is how it is. We already got delayed, so we're supposed to leave at 6:30 Alibag. Okay, it's only 67 kilometer, but it is still showing 2 hours 11 minutes. Wow. Trip reset करता है. Okay, sound check, trip reset, all done. Wow, look at the view guys. This is what Mumbai is. This is mini Chicago. with low air quality index. Is this okay, this is the Geo World Center. This is what my friend is mentioning. Oh, it's really good.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Here just found here the evacuation is going on. Oh, it's a mango truck. Bhai Saab. So finally we are on good road now. So this is a JNPT road, that's what they are mentioning, and we'll be almost leaving from the Mumbai.
Better than the lights. No way I'd let you slip by.
A short break we have taken. We just came out of Mumbai, and Makran has just fixed his Insta 360 on his bike, and we'll be leaving to take a tea break now, because we woke up at the morning at 4 o'clock, but because of this luggage and everything, right, so we could not manage to leave early by 6. So that was the initial plan. So we have an intercom set up, and we are continuously communicating with each other. It's almost 20 kilometers from the Mumbai, and the weather looks good, although there is lot of humidity here in Mumbai as always. Literally while gearing up, I was like completely blank. Completely wet. Okay, so let's talk about today's ride. So we three are heading towards the coastal part, which is called as Konkan in Marathi. So that is the coastal area from Mumbai side till Goa. So we will try to cover that. First of all, we'll be traveling to Alibag. So Alibag is basically from Mumbai or Navi Mumbai, approximately 70 kilometers. And by the way, this is like on time we have decided to go for this ride, since the original plan for Makran and me was to go for Ladakh trip, and there are some issues going on with Pakistan, right? So we could not manage to do that. So that is the reason we cancelled our Ladakh trip. So basically it was scheduled for 17th of May till the 6th of June. That was like around approximately 20 or more than 20 days of ride it was. So we're supposed to start from New Mumbai or Navi Mumbai, and we're supposed to go to Delhi, and then Ladakh, all the full circuit we're supposed to do. But yeah, that's a bad luck, and that is the reason I have this hell lot of luggage with me. So basically I was in US before coming to Mumbai, and all the luggage for the Ladakh trip I already sent to Makran with the bike. So that was the issue happened, and but yeah, nevertheless here we are. We'll make most of it, whatever time we want to just spend here. And also it was like one of my wish to continue exploring this side. अरे अलिबाग नंतर पाहिजे ट्रक पाय साला हराम कर कैसा चालवतो मी. So as part of this journey we'll be first of all going to Alibag. From Alibag we'll be roaming around to there. A few beaches we'll try to go and then we'll leave from there. Then we'll go to Divya Agar. So Divya Agar is basically again a small stop we wanted to make, and we'll roam around there also. I don't know what exactly is the itinerary for that, because this is like completely on time plan, so we'll decide at the time of the itinerary looks like this. So first we go to Alibag, then we go to Harihareshwar, then we go to Ganpatipure, then we go to Malwan, and then finally Goa. So Goa we have a friend we wanted to meet. We'll meet him, and then we'll spend some time in Goa, and then I'll go back to Bangalore. I won't be coming back to Mumbai.
You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way.
हां येत आहे आवाज. बोल. म्हटलं इथे थांबू बे कुठतरी. साला मस्त व्ह्यू आले काय एक नंबर टेकडीच्या मधात चाय पिऊ चुस्कियों के साथ सुख सुख. हॉटेल 712. अबे हॉटेल 712 हेच आहे का ते पांढरा रस्सा तांबडा रस्सा? हां क्या बात आहे. गोप्रो मध्ये ऑलरेडी रेकॉर्ड होत आहे. मकरन साहेब घ्या मकरन साहेब. ठीक आहे बोट दाखवत आहे का तू? एक नंबर रोड आहे यार. त्याला म्हणते मजा गाडी चालवते. So we decided to stop for the breakfast. We seen this Udupi Foods here, and we'll be doing our breakfast here itself, at least after Karnataka. We got the Udupi Foods here in Maharashtra. Wow. This is what the breakfast we ordered. Just a masala dosa here, and Shivam Bhau went for the tea. He already finished it. So start the breakfast. Chutney. Okay. So just finished our breakfast and left from the place. Now we are moving towards our next point, which is Divya Agar. So it is approximately 115 kilometers. It will take around 3 hours. And now the temperature is going up. That's what we can see. The breakfast was good. I would recommend that place. क्या बात है भाई. Now we have a location for the photo and videos. This is really good. We'll stay here for some time and then we'll leave. So this is like a coastal road which is near to sea. It is going, so as you can see on my right side there is a seashore, of course. It's around 100 kilometers of the straight road like will be like this only. So that's the reason we opted for this route, because there were 3 routes it was showing in total, and this is the one we wanted to go through. Wow, what a road, man. So we are planning to go somewhere here to visit the beach. This is, by the way, Kashid beach. अरे भाऊ, नाही बाबा, मी नाही आणत, मी नाही नेत, मी वरतून येतो गाडी लागेल तर. नाही नाही, नको बाबा, रिस्क नको बाबा मला. दिस इज अ बेटर व्यू. वाव, व्हाट अ व्यू. प्लीज इग्नोर दिस पार्ट. मी म्हणतो तिथं काय नाही, तुम्ही कायलेच टाकली तिथं. मी तर वजन पाहिल्याबरोबर सोडून दिलं डायरेक्ट.
जीरो कर दिया है.
काय झालं भाऊ, तुम्ही कसे काढाल आता?
A few moments later.
अजून फसत आहे का बे?
A few years later.
जाते 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 निघते निघते निघते. अबे थांब 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 थांब, अटकलं काहीतरी. रेती बसली त्याच्यावर. आता काढून घे सोमर, सरळ काढ आता. घोडा की ओढी आहे?
जा पूछ क्या.
एक मिनिट थांब, पाय काढ.
भाऊ मागं सोड, भाऊ मागं सोड, गाडी पाठीमागं सोड.
अबे दगड टाकला. घे घे घे, चालू कर चालू कर. हो कर. दगड बाशील, दगड बाशील, दगड बाय, दगड बाय. काढणं बे, काढणं निघते ना. माझ्या हात लागल्याशिवाय नाही निघाली गाडी. So now we are leaving from Kashid beach. We almost covered 124 kilometers in total as of now. Bazar babu. And now moving ahead for the next stop. So we'll be taking right and again back to the road. Here we go. 2 more hours to go. It's around 82 kilometers from here. Divya Agar. So the plan of ours is to go from here to pakad re. So the plan from here to go to this point. So we are at the Agardanda jetty point now, and we'll be going from here to here, which is Digi. And from Digi to we'll be going to, what is this again, I forgot the name, which is Divya Agar beach. From here we'll be taking the jetty and we'll see.
A few moments later.
So let's move. Let me check the stand. गाडी जवळ रे. हां पकडून तर आहेस मी. Almost reaching to the Digi point now through the jetty. So it took us 20 minutes here, and the ticket is 55 rupees per bike including the person. Oh. Need to be going very easy because this is slippery, and we are good. So we completed around 150 kilometers as of now, and it will take another 16 kilometers, which is 26 kilometers, 26 minutes it is showing from here. It looks like we need to pay some fees here, I guess. Oh, okay, not for us. So two-wheelers are allowed here free of charge. That's a good point. I think everywhere it's like here they are not charging anything to two-wheelers except parking fees and all. Looks like this is the point. Hopefully my vehicle won't stuck there because I have too much of weight on my vehicle. काय झालं?
पोलीस वाले आले तर फाईन आहे.
तिथं गाडी फसते आपली.
एक बार रुकेंगे ना, बीच में ब्रेक मारेंगे तो अटकेंगे. अगर
जाऊन पाहू का?
जाऊन पाय. चलो. Hopefully my bike will come out of this easily. Okay. Wow, look at the scenery. Really awesome. So we decided to leave from Dive Agar beach because it is raining here, and we won't be continue to Harihareshwar since this is not a good time to leave from here because of the rain, and the situation might get worse because we don't want to take risk. So nearby we'll try to see the accommodation, and we'll stay there for today. And the beach was awesome, by the way. We'll try to spend some more time once we get the hotel booked or any homestay or something like that, and then we'll be roaming around. We'll try to go to the near beach. So we captured few moments with bike. Just look at the cinematic. It starts in 3, 2, 1. So we are staying here, Oriental Homestay. So we found this is their contact number. You can come here if you want to. And hi. So we'll unmount everything now. Room कुठे आहे? हे का ही? So this is the room we shortlisted. We'll park our bikes here. Wow. So I think room rent is 1,200 per non-AC, 1,600 per AC room, and they are doing the registration. So we liked it. We'll stay here. So this is what the lunch we have ordered. So it's already dinner time. So this is a shev bhaji, this is roti, provided salad, and this is paneer masala we have ordered. So this is basically handi. Lunch time or dinner time.